Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathemagic Workbook Standard 5th. Now all of you open your page number 13. In the previous video, we have completed main 18. Today we'll see main 19. First of all, read the instruction. Answer the following question on the basis of the table given below. Here the table is given. You have to give the answer. You have to calculate the answer on the basis of this table. See here, type of vehicle is given. Capacity to carry mangoes in a one trip. One trip में ये जो vehicle है वो कितने कैपेसिटी उसकी कितनी है तो कैरी द मैंगोज दैट इज गिवन. स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल पर आवर मीन्स 1 आवर. 1 आवर की स्पीड कितनी है? द स्पीड ऑफ 1 आवर. ओके, नाउ सी द बुलॉक कार्ट. बुलॉक कार्ट कैरी 200 kg मैंगोज इन अ वन ट्रिप एंड स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल पर आवर की है 5 किलोमीटर. अ टेम्पो रिक्शो, it's carry mangoes in a one trip 700 kg and the speed of the vehicle per hour is a 15 kilometer. A tractor carry mangoes in a one trip 1000 kg and the speed of the tractor is a 25 kilometer per hour. A truck carries mangoes in a one trip 6000 kg and speed of the truck per hour is a 45 kilometer. Now see the questions given below. See the question. How much mangoes will a bullock cart carry in a 3 trips? Okay, here bullock cart is given. Okay, so in a one trip it carries 200 kilogram. Here it's not given the per hour. किलोमीटर नहीं पूछा है आपको. ओके, स्पीड नहीं पूछी है. व्हाट दे आस्क, कैपेसिटी पूछी है. ओके, हाउ मच इट कैरीज. ओके, इट्स अ कैपेसिटी. सो यू हैव टू सी द कैपेसिटी कॉलम. नाउ सी a bullock cart in a one trip carries 200 kg. Okay, therefore they ask about 3 trips. Okay, so in a 3 trips bullock cart carries how much? So write down here, in a one trip bullock cart carries 200 kg. Therefore in a 3 trips bullock cart carries how much? Cross multiplication. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन में 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 200 कम्स अपॉन 1. सो वी कैन एबल टू टेक 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 200. नाउ सी 3 2 जा 6. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 200 इज इक्वल टू 600 kg. It's a kg. We find out the weight capacity. So it's a kg. So answer is a bullock cart carries 600 kg in a 3 trips. Now see the second question. How much mangoes will a tractor carry in a 5 trips? Here also 5 trips पूछा है. Kilometers means speed नहीं पूछी है. Okay, a tractor. So see in a table a tractor. So one trip में 1000 kg. तो 5 trips में how much? So write down here, in a one trip tractor carries 1000 kg. Therefore in a 5 trips tractor carries how much? So 5 multiplied by 1000 upon 1. 5 multiplied by 1000. 5000s are 5000 and we find out weight. So it's a kg. So answer is a tractor carries 5000 kg in a 5 trips. 5 trips का पूछा, in a 5 trips. Now see the third question. See here. First of all, read the question. What distance will a tempo rickshaw travel in a 4 hours? See, tempo rickshaws, they are talking about the tempo rickshaws. Okay, and travel in a 4 hours. See here what you have to see. First of all, they are talking about hours. So you have to see this column. Okay, per hour. पर आवर का आपको देखना है, स्पीड पूछी है. एंड दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट? टेम्पोरिक्सस. दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टेम्पोरिक्सस. सो सी, अ टेम्पोरिक्सस पर आवर में 15 किलोमीटर, पर आवर में 15 किलोमीटर. एंड सी इन द क्वेश्चन, सी हियर, टेम्पोरिक्सस ट्रैवल इन 4 hours हाउ मच? We have seen that per hour में 15 किलोमीटर, तो 4 hours में how much? So write down here, in 1 hour, per hour means 1 hour. In 1 hour, Temporixos travel 15 kilometer. Therefore, in 4 hours, Temporixos travel how much? So 4 multiplied by 15. 4 multiplied by 15. 15 fours are how much? 4 multiplied by 15, it's a 60, and it's a kilometer. So write down here kilometer. So answer is a Temporixos travel 60 kilometer in a 4 hours. Now see the fourth question. What distance will a truck? Here also they are talking about distance. A truck travel in a 2 hours. So again we have to see the speed of the vehicle per hour. And they are talking about which vehicle? They are talking about truck. So see, here it's a truck. Okay, here it's a truck and per hour travels 45 kilometer. A truck per hour travel, per hour means in 1 hour truck travel 45 kilometer. See the question, fourth one. See here, a truck travel in 2 hours how much? They are talking about 2 hours. So you have to write down, in 1 hour truck travel 45 kilometer. Therefore in 2 hours truck travel how much? 2 multiplied by 45, 2 multiplied by 45, 45 multiplied by 2, 45 how much? 45 twos are how much? So 45 2 times, it's a 90 kilometer. They are talking about distance, so it's a kilometer. So your answer is a truck travel 90 kilometer in 2 hours. Answer is a truck travel 90 kilometer in a 2 hours. Now see the fifth question. See here, how much time will a bullock cart take to travel the distance of 70 kilometer? 70 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करने के लिए वो कितना टाइम लेता है? नाउ सी हियर they ask alternate, they ask, okay, here they ask about the time, okay, and it's a kilometer is given, किलोमीटर दिया है and आपको find out करना है time. So first of all, see in the table for bullock cart. See here, bullock cart 1 hour में 5 किलोमीटर. Okay, so you have to write down 5 किलोमीटर में 1 hour. तो 70 किलोमीटर में how much? How you have to write down? 5 किलोमीटर में 1 hour. तो 70 किलोमीटर में how much? So then you get the answer of 70 kilometer. So write down here, a bullock cart travel 5 kilometer in a 1 hour. Therefore, a bullock cart travel 70 kilometer in how much hour? Okay, how much time? So 70 multiplied by 1, cross multiplication. 70 multiplied by 1 upon this 5. So 70 upon 5. Now 5, how much is 70? So 5, how much is 70? 5 14s are 70. 5 14s are 70. So cancel this 5 and it's a 70. Also cancel you have to do. And answer is a 14. So 14 hours. What you have find out? How much time? And the time in a hour. So your answer should be in a hours. So answer is a bullock cart travel 70 kilometer in a 14 hours. A bullock cart travels 70 kilometer in a 14 hours. This is your answer. Now turn your page. Page number 14. First of all, read the question on page number 14. 6. How much time will a tractor take to travel the distance of 100 kilometers? See in the table. See here, a tractor in 1 hour travel 25 kilometers. In 1 hour, tractor travel 25 kilometers. See in the question. So you have to write down a tractor travel 25 kilometers in a 1 hour. Therefore, you have to find out for 100 kilometers. Therefore, a tractor travel 100 kilometers in how much hour? Okay. So 100 multiplied by 1 upon this 25. 100 upon 25. 25 how much is 100? 4 za. So cancel out 25 and 100 cancel and here it's become a 4. 4 is your answer and we have find out the time. So your time is in hours. 4 hours. So answer is a tractor take 4 hours to travel 100 kilometer. Now see the main 20. See here. First of all read the question. Sneha counted the numbers of vehicles passing by a road. Sneha क्या कर रही है? Numbers of vehicles. How many vehicles passes by road? That she counted. 2000 vehicles passed in a 2 hours. 2 hours में कितने vehicles passed हुए? 2000 vehicles. You have to note down this 2000 vehicles. See, 1/2 of the vehicles were cars. उसमें से 2000 vehicles में से 1/2 of the vehicles were cars. 1/4 of them were auto rickshaws and the remaining were trucks. Find the number of the vehicle of each type. So first of all you have to write down total how many vehicles passed? 2000 vehicles passed. Now you have to find out 1/2 is a given but actual number is not given. 1/2 is a given. So you have to find out the actual number of cars. So 1/2 of a cars is equal to 1/2 multiplied by this 2000 vehicles. Now 2, how much are 2000? 2000 are 2000. So cancel 2 and 2000 cancel and it's a 1000 comes. So 1000. Okay, this 1000 क्या है? तो 1000 वो नंबर है कार्स का. नंबर ऑफ कार्स कितनी है? 1000 कार्स. नाउ सी 1/4 ऑफ ऑटो रिक्शास. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? 1/4 ऑफ ऑटो रिक्शास. सो राइट डाउन हियर 1/4 of auto rickshaws means 1/4 of auto rickshaws. 1/4 का मीनिंग क्या है? 1/4 of auto rickshaws. So is equal to 1/4 multiply by again this 2000 vehicles. 2000. Okay. 4 how much are 2000? 4 5s are 20. So 4 500s are 2000. So 500. So number of auto rickshaws is equal to 500. Okay. Now what's remaining? See, remaining were trucks. Remaining क्या है? Remaining truck है. तो remaining were trucks. So what you have to do? You have to do the total number of cars plus total number of auto rickshaws. Now number of cars plus auto rickshaws is equal to number of cars is 1000. Number of cars is 1000. So write down 1000 plus number of auto rickshaws is plus 500. 1000 plus 500. 1000 plus 500 is 1500. Now the remaining were a truck. Okay. So number of trucks is equal to number of trucks find out करनी है. तो number of trucks is equal to this 2000 minus 1500. 2000 minus 1500. 2000 minus 1000. This 500 is equal to 500. So number of trucks is the 500. So your answer is number of trucks कितनी है? 1000. Number of cars is 1000 cars. Number of auto rickshaws, 500 auto rickshaws, and number of trucks, 500 trucks. Now see question number A. See here, 150 vehicles passed by a village road in 2 hours. How many vehicles? 150 vehicles. Out of this, one third of the vehicles were a scooter. Out of this, one third जो है वो scooter है. Okay. 1/5 of them were a bullock cart. One fifth जो है वो bullock cart है. Okay. And the remaining were tractors. It's the same as above sums. Okay. Then find the number of vehicles of each type. First of all, total how many vehicles? 150 vehicles passed. Now you have to find out number of scooter. Okay. So number of scooters. So one third of the number of scooter. One third जो है वो number of scooter. So number of scooters is equal to one third of scooters is equal to 1/3 multiplied by this 150. So 3 how much are 150? 3 50s are 150. 3 5s are 15 no. So 3 50s are 150. So 50 जो है वो number of scooters. Number of scooters is equal to 50. Number of scooters is equal to 50. Now we have to find out number of bullock cart. Okay, number of bullock cart. You have to write down here. bullock cart जो है वो 1/5 है तो 1/5. 1/5 का मीनिंग है 1/5. 1/5 of bullock carts is equal to 1/5 multiplied by this 150. So 5 how much is 150? 5 30s are 150. So this 30 is the bullock cart. Now the remaining were tractors. So what you have to do? Number of scooters plus number of bullock cart. You have to do the addition first of all. Now number of scooters plus bullock cart 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. So number of tractors is equal to 150 minus 80. 150 minus 80. 150 minus 80 is equal to 70. So number of tractors is equal to 70. So number of scooters we have find out, it's a 50, number of bullock cart is a 30 and number of tractors is a 70. So we will see the next video main 21. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.